As you can see, we have already created our Tosca workspace using the additional material base.tsu subset. We will now start in the test case section by focusing on the library. Within this library, create a new reusable teststep block. We will call this empty shopping cart. Within this new reusable teststep block, we will then add 4 modules. We will add the web shop top menu module 3 times. The first time, we will rename the resulting test step to navigate to cart. The second time to log out. And the third time to wait until logged out. Lastly, we will add the standard module close browser and rename the resulting test step to close web shop. It is now time to add the test step values to the test steps we have just added. Add an X for the test step value shopping cart in the navigate to cart test step. Add a second X for the test step value logout in the logout test step. For the test step value login, in the wait until logged out test step, use the drop-down menu to enter the value visible equals true with the action mode wait on. Lastly, enter demo asterisk for the test step value title in the test step close web shop. Now focus back on the empty shopping cart reusable test step block. Right click on it and add a while statement. Drag and drop the newly created while statement between the navigate to cart and logout test steps. Let's now focus on the while statement itself. For the condition, add the module web shop shopping cart. Rename the resulting test step to verify table exists. For the loop, add the module web shop shopping cart and rename the resulting test step to empty cart. Let's now focus back on the verify table exists test step within the while statement condition. In here, we will need to instruct Tosca to verify the existence of the shopping cart table. As you can see on the SUT, whenever the shopping cart is empty, the table disappears completely. Use the drop-down menu to enter the value exists equals true and set the action mode to verify. Now focus on the empty cart test step in the while statement loop. For the value shopping cart products, leave the value cell empty and set the action mode to select. Now select the row name $1 from the drop-down menu. Also, for this value, leave the value cell empty and set the action mode to select. Now, select the cell named remove from the drop-down menu. Again, leave the value empty and set the action mode to select. For the remove checkbox value, set the value to true and make sure that the action mode is set to input. Lastly, add an X for the test step value update shopping cart. The reusable test step block is ready to be run. However, we will need to prepare the SUT before we can do so. While you are logged into the demo web shop, add a series of items to the shopping cart. Do not close or log out from the demo web shop. Now, we can run the reusable test step block in the Scratch. As you can see, Tosca will navigate to the shopping cart, verify that the shopping cart table exists, and then proceed to empty it one item at a time until the table itself disappears. It will then log out from the application and close the browser tab. Now, remember to save your work.